Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel Salesforce FAQs, and today in this video we are going to discuss one of the basic feature in Salesforce, that is leads in Salesforce. So in this video I am going to explain you everything you need to know about the leads in Salesforce, that is what is leads in Salesforce and what is the role of lead source and lead status and how to create leads manually, and then we will also discuss how you can create leads in bulk using the tools like Data Import Wizard and Salesforce Data Loader tool. So in every sales pipeline, whether it is in Salesforce or anywhere else, the lead generation is the primary step. So let's take example of a real life scenario where you saw an ad on a web page, where you saw an advertisement regarding the Salesforce courses, and to gather some more information when you went to the website, and there it was required to enter your name, email or the phone number. So the moment you enter your details and submit it, so the organization will consider you as a lead. So with your contacts that you have provided and the email, they will try to contact you. So after the lead generation, the lead qualification is a stage where the discussion will go on. And after that, the lead will convert it into a contact or directly into an opportunity. And the moment the lead is converted into a contact, it will be deleted from the lead object. And after that, the offers will be provided. And after creating the opportunity, some more discussion will go on. And at last, the opportunity will be closed as a win opportunity or a lost opportunity. So first let us know what are the leads in Salesforce. So in Salesforce, lead is a category of people that have no purchase history but have an interest in your company's product or services. So this is what I've explained in the example in the previous slide, that lead is a essentially potential customer and it is the first step in your sales process, and leads help you to organize and track prospects before they are qualified. And once a lead is qualified, it can be converted into account, contact, and optionally an opportunity. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create leads. And first we will see the manual process of creating leads in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. And with the help of data import tool, that is Data Import Wizard, we will create leads in bulk. And also I will show you how you can create or import bulk leads using the Salesforce data loader. So let's move ahead and see the process. And first we are going to create the lead through the manual process. So right now I have logged into my Salesforce account, and as of now I am on the setup page of Salesforce Lightning. So first we are going to see the manual process of creating leads in Salesforce Lightning. So to create leads, you have to click on the app launcher and here search and select leads. And if you're already in the sales application, then you have to simply click on the leads tab. So now in the leads tab, you have to click on the new button for creating a new lead. And here you can see the fields that you have to enter to create a lead, that is first name, last name, company, phone, mobile, and other details. And also there are fields like lead status and lead source. So what are this lead source and lead status? So lead source help you to identify where the lead come from. So for example, you want to get some information regarding any product, so you have filled the form through a web page, so that lead will be considered as a web to lead. And also I will mention a video link in the description from where you can see what is web to lead and how to create web to lead. And the lead source helps in analyzing which marketing efforts are most effective. And the next thing is the lead status that I will show you after creating the lead. So as of now I will enter the required details. So as of now I entered the first name, last name, company, and also the lead status. So here in the lead status you will see the four option, that is lead is open and not contacted, that and working and contacted, and the rest two are closed and converted and closed and not converted. So as I'm creating the lead, I will select the option open not contacted and then click on the save button. So you can see the lead is created. So these are the lead status that we were seeing in the option. So from here you can change the lead status according to the progress that you have made with the lead, like open not contacted to working contacted and so on. And to convert a lead into a contact or an account, you have to click on the convert stage. And after this, you have to again click on the button select convert status. So here you will see two options, that create new account or choose an existing one. So I will create a new account. And in my case, I have also created the record types for the new leads. And for this also, I will give the video link in the description from where you can see how you can create record types in Salesforce. And the other two things are contact and opportunity. So it is optional to create the opportunity from this lead, from this converted lead. So So if you don't want to create the opportunity out of this converted lead, you can select the checkbox don't create an opportunity upon conversion, and the converted status you have to keep as closed and converted, and at last click on the convert button. So after the conversion, you can see these two records are created out of this lead, that is account and the contact. And from new task button, you can also create a follow-up task for the converted lead. So here I will close it. So as you can see, the moment we will convert the lead, it will disappear from the leads tab, and instead that lead will appear in the accounts and the contacts that after the conversion. So this is the account name that we have selected for the lead, and we have converted that lead into a contact. So I will go to the contact tab, and here is the converted lead that we have converted in the contact, that is Stephen Winfrey, and this is the name of the account that we have created. So for accounts you have two options, that either you can create a new account or select the existing one. And now we will see the same process of creating leads in Salesforce Classic. So I will switch to the Classic version, and for that you have to simply click on the profile icon and select switch to Salesforce Classic. So in the Classic setup, you have to first search the leads tab. So for that I will click on this plus icon, and here I will search the leads tab. So here is the leads tab. And to create a new lead, I have to click on the new button that is in the section recent leads. And here also we have to enter the fields that are required to create a lead. So here I'm entering the last name, first name, and the company, and also the lead status. And after entering the details, you have to click on the save button. So this is how you can create a lead in Salesforce Classic. And for the lead conversion, you have to click on the convert button here, and again you will see the same thing. Like from here you can select the lead owner account name, that again, and account for the converted lead, that will be the account of the contact. And optionally you can select the opportunity and change the lead status also. And after selecting all this field, you have to simply click on the convert button. So this is how you can create and convert leads in Salesforce Classic. So now we are going to see how we can import leads using the Salesforce data import wizard. For that, first we need to create a CSV file. So let me show you how the CSV file should look like, through which you are going to create the leads. So in the CSV file, you need to include the header columns, that is first name, last name, lead status, company, and the lead source. So here only two header columns are mandatory, that is the last name and the company, but it is recommended to add more additional information. So as of now, I created the CSV file and enter the details that are required to create the lead. So here I have entered the first name, last name, lead status, company, and the lead source. So apart from the fields like name and the company name, you can get this lead status and lead source from the lead setup. Like when you create a new lead, you will see this option, and from here you can select the lead source or the lead status that you want to assign to the leads that you are going to create through the data import wizard. So these are the options available as of now. So I have selected web and phone for the lead source, and for the lead status also you can select any of the status for the new leads. So after creating the file, we have to save it in the system from where it can be accessed to the data import wizard, and make sure that you save this in the CSV version. So now we will go back to the Salesforce setup page, and from here I will again navigate to the setup page, and now we will go to the quick find box, and here search and select data import wizard. So here it is, and in the data import wizard you have to scroll down and click on the button launch wizard. And in this example we are going to create leads, so I will select the option leads, and here select option add new records, and then select the CSV file that we have created right now. And after selecting the CSV file, click on the next button. So now you can see the CSV header columns are perfectly mapped with the fields of leads object, and after mapping we have to click on the next button, and now it is showing there are 5 mapped fields. So here we will click on the button start import, and here click OK to proceed. So the bulk data load job is started, and it will show the details of the data import. And now in the batches you can see the start time and the end time. After completing the data import operation, we will go to the leads tab. There I will show you the leads that we have inserted right now using the data import wizard. So here I will change the leads view to today's leads. and you can see these are the leads that we have added through the CSV file. Lara Wilson, Steven Jackson and Stuart Smith. So let me show you the CSV file again. Here you can check the names of the leads that you have entered through the data import wizard. So this is how you can import bulk lead in Salesforce using the Salesforce data import wizard. So after this, we are going to see how we can import leads in bulk using the Salesforce data loader tool. So the Salesforce data loader is capable to handle large set of records. Like using the data import wizard, we can import up to 50,000 records at a time, while the data loader can handle up to 5 million record per operation. So for the data import of leads through the data loader, we are going to use the same CSV file. So here I will make some little bit changes so that we can differentiate the records that we have entered through the data import wizard and the data loader. And for the data loader also, you have to save the file in the CSV format. And if you haven't installed the data loader in your system, then I will also give the video link in the description from where you can see how you can install the data loader in your Windows. So when we open the data loader, you will see the options insert, update, upsert, delete and export. So to insert the leads, we are going to perform the insert operation. For that, I will click on the button insert, and here activate the checkbox show all Salesforce object and then search and select lead object. And after this, select the CSV file that we have created right now. And after selecting the CSV file, click on the next button. Here click OK. And in this window, click next. Now in the mapping dialog window, we have to map the header columns to the object field name, that is field name of the leads object. So for that, first click on the button create or edit a map. And now in the mapping dialog window, click on the button auto match field to the columns. And in case any of the field is not auto match, then you have to drag the object field down to the column mapping. For example, in this mapping, the lead status is not auto matched, so I have to drag it down to the column mapping. So here it is. Now I will map it with the CSV header column, and after completing the mapping, click on the OK button and then click next. And at last, select the location for the error and the success file through which you can analyze the errors if any error occurred during the data import operation. And at last, click on the finish button. And as you click on the finish button, you will see the warning message. Here click yes to proceed. So now you can see the data insertion is completed, and after this we can see the message that the data operation is fully completed and we have 3 successful inserts. So we will click on the button view successes, and you can see these 3 leads are created. Now I will navigate back to the leads tab, and there I will show you the leads that I have created right now. So in the list view of today's leads, we can see the records that we have entered through the Salesforce data loader tool. So this is how you can create leads in bulk using the Salesforce data loader tool and Salesforce data import wizard. So this was all about leads in Salesforce. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.